Yehovah Svaot, Yehovah of hosts. Yehovah Elohi, Yehovah Svaot. Kadosh, Kadosh, Kadosh. Please fill me and lead me and cover me and stir me and speak through me with your Ruach HaKodesh, that I may speak your written words with boldness and humility to those who listen. I ask all these things in Yeshua HaMashiach's name. Amen. We'll start with the Shema. Listen and obey. Children of Yehovah, pay careful attention and respond. Yehovah is our power and authority. Yehovah works in unity with himself, and you shall act upon your love to Yehovah with your power and authority, with your thoughts and mind, with your entire body, and with all the muchness that you have. Yod, Hey, Vav, Hey. Hand, behold, nail, behold. Nehemiah chapter 3. Then Eliashiv the Kohen Haggadol set up with his fellow Kohanim, and they rebuilt the Aleph Tav sheep gate. They consecrated it and set up its doors. They consecrated it as far as the Tower of the 100 and the Tower of Hananel. Next to him, the men from Jericho built. Next to him, Zakur, the son of Imri, built. The sons of Hasnaah rebuilt the fish Aleph Tav gate. They installed its timber framework and set up its doors, along with its bolts and bars. Next to them, Meremot, the son of Uriah, set up its doors, along with its bolts and bars. Next to them, Meremot, the son of Uriah, the son of Hakotz, made repairs. Next to them, Meshullam, the son of Berechiah, the son of Mashivleel, made repairs. Next to them, Zadok, the son of Ba'anah, made repairs. Next to them, the men from Tokae made repairs. But their nobles would not put their shoulders to the work of their lord. Yoyada, the son of Pisayach, and Meshullam, the son of Besodiah, made repairs in the old city, Aleph Tav gate. They installed its timber framework and set up its doors along with its bolts and bars. Next to them, Melatya and Givoni, Yodin, and Marionoti, the men of Givon and Mitzpah, made repairs. They worked for the people associated with the governor of the territory beyond the Euphrates River. Next to them, Uziel, the son of Hariah, goldsmiths, made repairs. Next to him, Hananiah, one of the perfume makers, made repairs. He renovated Yerushalayim as far as the broad wall. Next to them, Rephaiah, the son of Hur, led half the district of Yerushalayim, made repairs. Next to him, Yadya, the son of Harumaph, made repairs opposite of his house. Next to him, Hattush, the son of Hashavnya, made repairs. Milkiah, the son of Harim, and Hashuv, the son of Pakat Ma'ov, made repairs in another section and on the Aleph Tav tower of the ovens. Next to him, Shallum, the son of Ha-Lochesh, leader of the half-district of Yerushalayim. He and his daughters made repairs. Hanan and the people living in Zanoach made repairs in the valley Aleph Tav gate. They rebuilt it and set up its doors, along with its bolts and bars, and they rebuilt 1,500 feet of the wall, as far as the dung gate. Milkiah, the son of Rachav, leader of the district of Beit HaKarim, repaired the dung Aleph Tav gate. He rebuilt it and set up its doors along with its bolts and bars. Shallun, the son of Kol Hazi, leader of the district of Mitzpah, repaired the fountain Aleph Tav gate. He rebuilt it and covered it and set up its doors along with its bolts and bars. He also repaired the Aleph Tav wall of the pool of Shilech by the royal garden as far as the stairs that go down from the city of David. After him, Nehemiah, the son of Azbuk, leader of the half-district of Beit Zur, made repairs from the place opposite of the tombs of David as far as the artificial pool in the soldiers' barracks. After him, the Leviim made repairs, Rekum the son of Bani. Next to him, Hashaviah, leader of the half-district of Ki-Alah, made repairs in his district. After him, their colleagues, Ba-Va'i, the son of Hanadad, leader of the half-district of Ki-Alah, made repairs. Next to him, Ezer, the son of Yeshua, leader of Mitzvah, made repairs on another section opposite of the ancient to the armory of the angle. After him, Baruch, the son of Zachai, worked diligently, making repairs on another section, from the angle to the door of the house of El-Yashiv, the Kohen Haggadol. After him, Merimot, the son of Uriah, made repairs on another section from the door of the house of El-Yashiv to the end of the house of El-Yashiv. After him, the Kohanim from the plains made repairs. After them, Benjamin and Hashuv made repairs opposite their house. After them, Azariah, the son of Maaseiah, the son of Ananiah, made repairs next to his house. After him, Bi-Nui, the son of Hanadad, made repairs in another section from the house of Azariah, the son of Azariah, to the angle and to the corner. Palal, the son of Uzai, made repairs opposite of the angle and the tower that projects out from the upper part of the royal palace near the courtyard of the guard. After him, Padiah, the son of Parosh, made repairs, since the temple servants were living in Ophel, as far as the opposite of the water gate to the east of the tower that projects out. After him, the men from Tekoa repaired another section, opposite the great tower that projects out and on the wall of Ophel. Above the horse gate, the Kohanim made repairs, each one opposite his own house. After them, Zadok, the son of Amir, made repairs opposite his house. After him, Shemaiah, the son of Shechaniah, the keeper of the east gate, made repairs. After him, Hananiah, the son of Shelemiah, and Hanum, the sixth son of Zelaph, made repairs on another section. After him, Meshullam, the son of Barachiah, made repairs opposite his own room. After him, Milkiah, one of the goldsmiths, made repairs as far as the house of the temple, servants and the merchants, opposite the mustering gate, and on the upper room at the corner. Finally, between the upper room and the corner and the sheep gate, the goldsmiths and the merchants made repairs. But when Sanballat heard that they were rebuilding the Aleph Tov wall, he was furious, greatly enraged. He ridiculed the Judeans before his kinsmen and the army of Shamron. He said, "What are these pathetic Judeans doing? Are they going to rebuild anything they want? Are they going to sacrifice? Are they going to finish today? Are they going to recover useful Aleph Tov stones from the piles of rubble, burned rubble at that?" Toviah and the Ammoni was there with him and said, "Whatever they're rebuilding, why, if even a fox went up, he'd knock their stone wall down." Our God, listen, we are being treated with contempt. Turn back their jeers on their own heads. Give them over to be plundered in a land of exile. Don't cover their guilt. Don't let their sin be wiped out from before you, because they have insulted the builders to their face. So we kept building the Aleph Tov wall, which was soon joined together and completed to half its height all the way around, because the people worked with a will. How can we learn to love our Creator after reading this fascinating, lengthy third chapter of rebuilding of walls in Jerusalem? We can learn to love Yehovah by offering your labor as worship to Him. Love Yehovah by honoring the portion of work He assigns you. Love Yehovah by seeing His hand in the unity of his people. How can we love our neighbors as we love ourselves and as Yeshua loves us? By working side by side with others, valuing their contribution, and lifting together for the sake of the whole community. How can we bear one another's burdens today? By filling in the gaps where others are weak, helping to raise what they cannot lift on their own. What are the top 3 fruits of the Spirit found? 1. Unity. Every family built in harmony with the others. 2. Diligence. Each person faithfully repaired their section. 3. Faithfulness. The people worked with purpose despite great challenges. What is the Hebrew word that encapsulates this chapter? Banah. To build, establish. Verse 1. Then Eliashib, the high priest, rose up with his brothers, the priests, and they built the sheep gate. How can we find Yeshua in the scriptures? Each gate restored points to Yeshua, the door and the shepherd of his people. The unity of the builders reflects the body of Messiah, many members but one purpose. Just as the walls were built, Yeshua restores the broken walls in our lives. What is the mitzvah response, Torah-based? Mitzvah. Exodus 25, verse 8. Let them make me a sanctuary that I may dwell among them. A response might look like this: I will rise to build and repair what is broken so that Yehovah's presence may dwell among us. Hebrew declaration. Yad b'yad, nivneh, et chomat Yerushalayim. Hand in hand, we will build the wall of Yerushalayim. We'll end this with the Aaronic blessing using the name. Yehovah will kneel before you presenting gifts, and he will guard you with the hedge of protection. Yehovah will illuminate the wholeness of his being towards you, bringing order, and will provide you with love, sustenance, and friendship. Yehovah will lift up the wholeness of his being and look upon you and set in place all you need to be whole and complete. Shalom, shalom.